What's good, y'all? It's Tyrell Ferguson Bay, Chief Ferguson Bay. So, this is Off Duty Grind again. This is a platform I'm trying to set up. Well, this YouTube page, and I'm trying to set up interviews with military, military, active duty, reservists, and veterans, right? To show them grinding off duty, right? Starting their businesses, trying to reaching their goals and stuff like that. So in order to do that, I've set up, a website, right? I've set up my URL, secured my domain name, and I've set up my Gmail account so that I can have a professional email account. So right now, I don't know if you can see it, but this says chief at offdutygrind.com. So we got the professional email happening. So if you want to watch me do this from scratch, right, I've already done that from scratch, right? So I'm posting the videos soon, but I learned something new in the process of doing this. So I was doing it from scratch the way I knew how to do it before. So I would go to Namecheap to get my domain name, and then I will go to Google Suites to get my Google email. But what I learned today is that Google Suites also does web hosting. I did not know Google Suites did web hosting. So there was a step that I was doing inside of Google Suites to help verify that I own the domain name, because the domain name was purchased through another web host. All right. So I want to let y'all know, if y'all following along with me, you may want to check out Google Suites, because I did not say that when I was making my when I was getting my domain name. All right. So you can go to Google Suites or Gsuite. You can type in Google Suites, right? Google Suite, right? And it has this, right? And inside Google Suites, I'm not sponsoring Google or anything like that. This is just a step that I would probably recommend. Like I would recommend if I knew that Google had web hosting. So I went to Namecheap, showed you guys HostGator, but I want to also show you guys that Gsuite also has this web hosting. So you have a business name, Mike and Ake 1, something like that. Just you, right? You want to do that. You can, blah, right? Next. Right here it says, does your business have a domain name? So I've never been asked this question before when I did Gsuite. So this was a new step. So you can say, no, I need one. Boom. Has domain search. So I did off duty grind. This is going to be taken because that's the domain name I currently have. But you can go ahead and search for a name. You can do, Tracy Lyles something.com, and then you can get that .com or that URL, and then you'll have you can set up an email address along with that through Google, all in one space, and you won't have to do the verify step that I've done. I'll post it here. I'll put it in the card. That you won't have to do that verify step, or I'll put it in the description that I had to do. So if you go straight to G Suites or Google, you can set up your domain name here, and let me click it. It's gonna say it's taken. Well, unavailable because I just bought it. Let's say Off Duty Grind 1. All right. So available $12 a year. You may use this to set up your G Suite email addresses, like sale You'll be able to purchase off the So I want to use, so you can hit next. I think it's going to try to make me pay, right? So I don't want to do that. I'll cancel out of here, but I just wanted to show you guys that step, because if I did it straight through here, I paid $8 for it. Then I paid $8 for the domain name because I did it on Namecheap. Then I paid $6 a month, so that puts me at $14. But if I did it straight through G Suites, it'd have been $12. So that's why I want to show you guys this step that I didn't do. I didn't go straight through G Suites to do that because I never saw that option before. So that's why I'm showing you guys from scratch, and you can, learn from my mistakes and learn from when I'm learning as well. So we're doing this from scratch, building Off Duty Grind, where we show military personnel or military veterans grinding off duty, building their businesses and stuff like that. So I usually use Namecheap, like I told you. Now, future, may just go straight to Google and do my hosting there and get my professional email there, and I won't have to do 2 steps, and I can save money. So Terrell Ferguson Bay, Chief Ferguson Bay, with Off Duty Grind from scratch. And I'll talk to you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this information. If this information helps you, just put a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right, Terrell Ferguson Bay, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Bye.